Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to quickly redo an analysis in visionCATS, ensuring efficiency and reproducibility. There are two ways to redo an analysis. The first option is through the visionCATS menu bar. Expand the menu by clicking on Edit, then select Redo a copy of this analysis. The selected analysis file will be duplicated and ready to be rerun. The second option is available directly in the Explorer window. Right-click on the analysis file and choose Redo a copy. A new window will appear where you can enter a name for the analysis and select a storage location. Click OK to open the new analysis file. You can now restart the analysis with the same parameters or modify them before starting. With the Redo function, visionCATS makes repeating analyses fast, simple, and reliable every time. Thank you for watching this visionCATS tutorial video.